name is Sriram. I am studying in 5th class. I am from Dedipya English Medium School in Visakhapatnam. We are governed by rules in our life. What if there were no rules and laws in schools, on roads, market, parks, etc.? What would have happened? Think about you are driving a car on a road without traffic lights. How can you drive? No, you can't. Because of we need to make rules and laws so that there is a peace and harmony in the society. Everyone is treated equally. Rules are to be followed properly. They help us to live together in a society. Our school is governed by certain rules. In the same manner, our country too had certain rules and laws. He is known as that written in a book called Constitution.
Yes, ma'am.
The Indian Constitution got a great award, world's lengthiest written constitution, and group headed by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. And the body of the Indian Constitution is a body of laws which help us to live together in a society. Let us see, we had some rights such as right to equality, right to follow any religion, culture and educational right, right to freedom, right to any exploitation, right to any constitution remedies. And we had a duty like we need to respect our national flag and anthem. And parents and my dear friends, you can stand up for a few minutes. We the people of India,
We the people of India,
having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to secure all its citizens, justice, social, economic, political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status, and of opportunity, and to promote among them all. Fraternity, assuring the dignity of unity and integrity of individuals. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November, do hereby adopt, enact, and give ourselves this Constitution. Thank you for standing, parents. Please take your seats. I couldn't explain the original terms, but I know some terms which are in the preamble. Let us see. Socialist, sovereign. People have a supreme right to make decisions, internal as well as external matters. This is the reason behind the great Indian Constitution. People have a supreme right to make decisions, internal as well as external matters. No external power can detect the government of India. Socialist, wealth is generated socially and should be shared equally by society. Government should regulate the ownership of land and industries to reduce social economic inequalities. Citizens have a complete freedom to follow any religion, but there is no official religion. Government treats all religions and beliefs and practices with equal respect. Democratic, a form of a government where people enjoy equal political rights and elect their own rulers and hold them accountable. Equality, all are equal before the law. Government should ensure the equal opportunity to all. fraternity, assuring the dignity of unity and integrity. We should treat citizens in the same manner. We are in the same family. No one should treat a fellow of citizen as an inferior. I hope you all follow rules and laws on roads, in schools, market, parks, etc. I am proud of you of being an Indian. Jai Hind.